Yo, yo, yo. Today we're going to be putting an oil pan gasket in this 2003 Ford Focus right here. This is actually my new daily driver. Need to make some videos about this on the channel. But yeah, it's going to be kind of hard without taking the exhaust out, but that's my goal, is to not drop the exhaust out. Got my jack and my jack stands ready. Things due for an oil change, so we're doing the pan at the same time. I can actually show you the leak out of the pan. You can see it's nice and leaking, not horribly, it doesn't really drip, but it's definitely got a nice leak out the pan. So here goes nothing, we gonna fix that shit. Here's the new gasket on the pan. I was able to snake the pan out while leaving the exhaust in. You can see how close that is up there. It wasn't easy, I'll tell you that much. It was not easy. It looks clean. Let's see the oil pickup. Looks clean. I got as much of the gasket off as I could on the block surface. A little bit of oil dripped onto the cat. It'll probably smoke for a little bit after the repair. I got this whole side as clean as I could too underneath here. This car came from the factory with a sealant gasket, but they make a gasket now, so I'm gonna try the gasket. I think it should be fine. And it's about time to put everything back together, throw some oil in it, and see what's up. Also, I have a new filter that's gonna go in with the new oil. Let's go. It's a quick video, but 2003 SVT oil pan gasket. Yo! What's up? Welcome to another Ben Spoolin video. Today I'm working on the Ford Focus SVT. The problem is that this line, there's a line like this, it was rubbing down here on a refrigerant line and it actually tore through the hose. So it was leaking coolant, not chill. Luckily I made it home. Didn't leave me stranded, but it's gonna be kind of hard to replace. This hose goes down towards the engine underneath the manifold, so I think it might be kind of difficult to replace. I'm gonna let it rip though. We're gonna see what's good. Could be quick, it could take a while. We just got 3 connections. Let's see how fast we can make this happen.
Be the ones out of line, imagining a place where we belong, when miles and miles ahead. In a new mood, I will find you, so we can start miracles. In a new mood, we can try to feel if it's allowed.
It's in a really hard spot. We're gonna get it. Alright, I got the old hose out. It was a pain in the ass. I'm replacing this because 2 reasons. First of all, there's a hole up here, a couple holes forming. And then second of all, this was rubbing against the refrigerant line. And you can see that's obviously not good. So I think it broke through here. I'm not sure if you can see with the human eye. It doesn't look like it broke through, but it was leaking here. So I think it might have just barely broke through on one spot, and that's why it was leaking. This shit's all damaged. The new hose is ready to go, and I'm gonna just try and move that refrigerant line out of the way and make sure that it doesn't chafe. So I gotta reinstall this. Kind of challenging, especially this middle piece. It's like, I'll try and show you, but it connects way down here. On that silver part, you can't really see. But pretty much goes right there, and there's like no way to get there, so I had to like move this heat shield out of the way, undo a line down there. I think I'm gonna reinstall the heat shield if I can later. But for now, I'm just trying to get this thing in there, so let's let that rip.
What now?
I'm fixing this one finally. The part came. This is the piece that was leaking.
I maybe got 2 years left, then I'm gonna retire.
Nice, dude.
Find me a nice little cabin right next to a lake. Come out of the woods once a week, buy some steaks
Hell yeah.
and beer.
That sounds dope as fuck.
Go back to my cabin, fish all day. Get back to work.